Hi guys, today I am showing you about different nail paint designs on the event of Halloween and Christmas. So let's get started. Wow, beautiful Halloween nail paint design. And again, wow, what a pretty design. It's an amazing Halloween nail paint design. You guys can also try this on a Halloween event. Amazing. Perfect. Beautiful combination of different nail paint designs, wow, cartoons and emojis, like different shapes of nail paint designs. Wow, pretty, looking amazing. You guys should also try this on your upcoming Halloween and Christmas events. Beautiful nail paint designs. What a beautiful white nail paint design. Wow, amazing. Beautiful Halloween nail paint design. You guys should also try this on your upcoming event. Wow, beautiful shapes of Halloween designs. Pretty, looking very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video.